This is exactly how to connect your Hello Blink sticker maker to your phone. So firstly, go into settings on your phone, and then you need to open up Bluetooth right here, as you can see. And make sure that your Bluetooth here is turned on. If it's turned off, make sure to turn this one on right here. And then what you need to do on your Hello Blink sticker maker itself, you need to now power it on. And you can power it on by clicking on this button right here until a blue light will flash around this area right here, as you can see. And when the blue light is flashing, that indicates that it's right now turned on. Then what you need to do is to open up this right here. You need to open it up right here, as you can see, and make sure that you actually put the paper roll in here. It's gonna look something like that, as you can see. And then you need to go to the Hello Blink app that you can get on both your App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android, of course. Then just click on set up your printer, and then just choose your printer on the list here if it doesn't connect automatically, of course. But if you have done it everything correct here, that you have turned it on, then you should be able to find the printer in here. And now what you need to do, you're gonna choose your shape, so your sticker shape, either if you want square here or circle. So yeah, just choose any here that you want to, obviously. For example, a circle here. I think that looks pretty cool. But yeah, now you get to this page right here. You can either take a photo right away, and then it's going to capture exactly what you take with your phone camera. You can import if you have saved photos on your mobile. You can import them here or click on create, which I'm going to do. I'm just going to click on the create option here. Now on the create option, you can either choose from their gallery, you can draw, or you can write something here, as you can see. But I'm just going to click on gallery here, and on gallery you can choose different type of shapes here that you can have. So for example, gems here, as you can see, so choose this one, or I chose this one. And then in here you can choose different shapes. So I think I took this one here, and then just click on this button here when you're done. And now you will get this shape here. So you can click then on use this image, and then just click on print to confirm here, as you can see. So basically that is exactly how to actually do this.